Good morning, dear students. This is chapter 6, division. I am going through the revision 1 of chapter 6, properties of multiplication. What are the properties of multiplication? When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. So this is property number 1. When a number is divided by 1, this number is divided by 1, the quotient is this number itself. The result is the number itself. Property number 2, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. So when a number is divided by itself, I am having this number 385, I am dividing by the same number, so the result will be 1. Number 3, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. If we divide 0 by any number, we get the quotient 0. The next point, number 4, is division by 0 is not possible. When we divide any number by 0, that is not possible. It is not valid. So you have to remember that division by 0 is never possible. Number 5 is the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In a division sum, this is dividend, this is divisor, this the result we get, that is quotient, and the remainder we write here. So according to the division algorithm, this is division algorithm. What you can prove? You can prove that if you multiply divisor and quotient, then add the remainder, that should be equal to the dividend. I am taking one example, the very small division sum. 28 is divided by 3. 28, if you divide by 3, here 28 is dividend, 3 is divisor. So if I divide 28 by 3, 9, 3 into 9 is 27. If I subtract 27 from 28, I get 1. This 1 is remainder. So we have divisor 3, quotient, that means the result we got is 9. Dividend, the number we divide is dividend, and the remainder is the number which is got after subtraction of the product of quotient and divisor from dividend. Now here we have a divisor 3, quotient is 9, divisor is 3, quotient is 9. So divisor into quotient, 3 into 9, plus what? Plus the remainder. Remainder is what? 1, plus 1. So 3 into 9 is 27, plus remainder 1, that is 28. This 28 is nothing but it is equal to the dividend 28. So this property is proved by just doing this calculation. In your exam, you will be given to find the quotient and remainder. Then you have to prove that division algorithm is valid for any given division sum. As I have done it, you also have to do. I will show how to do in one example. So we are going to discuss the division algorithm. I am taking one example, 299 divided by 6. 299 divided by 6. If I divide 29 by 6, it is 4. 6 into 4 is 24. If I subtract 24 from 29, it is 59. In 59, we can divide 6 how many times? It is 9 times. 6 into 9 is 54. If I subtract, it is 5. So this is my remainder. This is my quotient. This is the divisor. And this is dividend. Now what we have to prove? You can write Q equal to 49, R equal to 5, divisor equal to 6, dividend equal to 299. What we have to do? Q into divisor. Q is 49. Q is 49. Divisor is 6. What is equal to this? If you multiply, it is you can do it in your rough work area. 49 into 6, 6 into 9, 54. 5 will be carried to the next higher place. 6 into 4 is 24 plus 5, 29. It is 294. So 294 plus remainder. What is remainder? Remainder is 5. 294 plus 5 is equal to 299. We have got 299 is dividend. 299 is the dividend. So it is proved. This way you have to do. I hope all of you will be able to do this in your exam. The next one is division by 10, 100 and 1000. Dividing a number by 10. I am taking the example 245 divided by 10. It is a 2-digit number, so we have to take a 2-digit. 24 we should multiply by 10. So if it is 2, 10 into 2 is 20. Subtract 4. 5 will come down. 45. 4 times we can divide 4 times. 4 into 10 is 40. The remainder is 5. Therefore the quotient is 24. Remainder is 5. So what we have got? 245 by 10, 1 0. So I separate one's digit. I separated one's digit. This is ones, this is tens, and it is hundreds. I separated the one's digit. Therefore I can tell that as it is having 1 0, this is the remainder, and this is what? Quotient. In short, without dividing, in short, I can say, as it is having 1 0, separate the number 245 ones place digit. This will be the remainder, the other 2 digits will be the quotient. This is the shortcut method to solve a number which is divided by 10. So I can see that when we separate the ones digit, that will be remainder, and the rest of the digits, the number formed by the rest of the digits 2 and 4 will be the quotient if we divide by 10. So to prove that it follows the division algorithm, what we have to do, this quotient, this 24, we shall be multiplied by 10, multiply it by 10. So it is 24 into 10, this 1 0 will come, it will become 240. 240 plus remainder is the ones digit, ones place digit, that is 5. 240 plus 5 is 245. This 245 is nothing but the dividend, the complete that number 245 divided by 10, this is dividend. So this and these two numbers are equal, therefore division algorithm holds good for this also. You have to do, if the sum comes like what will be the quotient if we divide a number by 10. So you have to separate the ones digit and the digits remaining. Ones digit will be the remainder and the remaining digit will be the quotient. You remember this. It may come in your exam.